Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make chewy milk candy. First, gather your ingredients: whole milk, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter. You'll also need a heavy-bottomed pot and a candy thermometer. Precision in measuring is key for the perfect texture. Ensure everything is ready before you begin cooking, as the process moves quickly once started. This preparation ensures a smooth and successful candy-making experience. Now, combine your whole milk, granulated sugar, and unsalted butter in the heavy-bottomed pot. Place it over medium heat. Stir constantly to prevent scorching and ensure even cooking. The mixture needs to reach a specific temperature for that perfect chewy texture. Keep stirring until your candy thermometer reads exactly 245 degrees Fahrenheit, which is crucial for consistency. Once the mixture hits 245 degrees Fahrenheit, immediately remove the pot from the heat. This next step is vital for chewiness. Stir the candy vigorously. Continue stirring for several minutes as it cools and thickens. You'll notice it becoming opaque and much firmer. Then, quickly pour the thickened candy into a buttered 9 by 13-inch pan, spreading it evenly. After pouring, let the candy cool completely at room temperature. This can take several hours, so be patient. Once firm, use a sharp, buttered knife to cut the slab into your desired shapes, like small squares or rectangles. For best results and to prevent sticking, wrap each piece individually in wax paper or cellophane. Enjoy your delicious, homemade chewy milk candy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.